I'd love to know what the difference is because we have a wonderful network out there of Crete United companies who are self-performing the maintenance work, and they take so much pride, so much care in their local communities, making them healthier, making sure the equipment runs smoothly. But what is the difference between what they're doing and the data they're gathering from an annual preventative maintenance program and what we're recommending potentially in an engineering assessment or what comes out of a facility assessment, especially as it relates to the mechanical and electrical side where we have those partner companies who are the experts and they can go perform it?
So that's a great question about the difference between sort of ongoing maintenance that you do and then what would you learn about how to take care of your building through a facility assessment or an energy audit. And here's the way I like to think about it. Systems of any kind, if it's your car, if it's your body, or if it's your HVAC, your mechanical system in your building, they're going to need different things the older they get. You just have to change. Like as time evolves, things change, and you have to then adjust how you touch it. So in a predictive maintenance or facility maintenance program that's either prescribed because you thought about it 5 years ago, or because it's what's been happening every year over year over year, and that's what the other guy used to do, so it's what I do. Sometimes you have to take a break and you have to really understand what's going on in that building in order to help its mechanical systems perform better.